So I still got the levels in that we had yesterday in yesterday's video, and nothing really changed from my perspective anyway. So we are still ranging and pretty clear. And in actual fact, I'm just going to make these two levels here permanent, so I know that that's my range. And basically, you can see we are still continuing in the range. We have got an engulfing bar here, and we started off with a pretty strong engulfing bar, came back the downside, and then another engulfing bar. So at the moment, no real trades for me on the DAX. And as I said, not looking for shorts. Pretty much my bias is to the upside at the moment. But I want to get through this range before committing to anything on the DAX. So that's pretty much the long and short of it. If you look at what happened yesterday, gap up, top of range, down, bottom of range, up, down. And now what you have is you've got a lower high and a higher low. So in other words, that is consolidation that is happening, which means triangle within the range. So breakout, possible. I would probably say either today or tomorrow you're probably going to get a breakout one way or the other, and then it's going to give us a structure to trade. But I think there are better opportunities on some forex pairs, and we'll get to the US markets at the moment. But this setup that I see here is not something that I actually want to trade. Okay, so that's actually short and sweet on the DAX. It's range bound. If you do want to be trading this, you want to be short off the top and long off the bottom. However, with this triangle forming, I'd be cautious. You can take a breakout and retest to the triangle, but be warned, it may just tag the top and then turn and come back down and sort of fake out and then back down here. Or alternatively, you may take a short on the break of the triangle and the retest, and it'll probably fizzle out at the bottom of the range or at this gap. So there's no clear direction from you. So as far as I'm concerned, stay well away from this. So as long as it's sitting in this range, I'm only looking for a breakout to the upside at the moment. So it's 12426. I'm not really interested in anything here. The second area that I'd be interested in for long would be 12061. And again, as I said yesterday, only if we break through the swing low here am I interested in looking for shorts. Okay, so that's the DAX. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.